Hello and welcome back to Popeye Hill on day 2 for potato planting. Today we're going to get the potatoes in the ground. What I'm going to start off doing is I'm going to dig a furrow from here down to the end. I'm going to follow this line I put in the ground, and in the furrows where the potatoes are going to go. So I'm going to start off with this hoe and see if that works okay. If not, I have another tool in there. So let's check it out. Today I'll be using 2 types of hose and a standard garden rake. Deep as I can get with this hoe right here, because I want to put the potatoes in the very bottom of the row then. Might have to break out that other hoe. Here's the 2 differences in the hose. This one should get more dirt out. If it looks like hard work, it is, but I prefer to think of it as good exercise. That makes me feel better anyway. Some tillers, rototillers, excuse me, they come with an attachment that'll dig these rows out for you. That would be handy for sure, but I don't have one, so we're doing it manually. First, we'll talk about the fertilizer. This is bone meal, and its composition is 2-17-0. That's 2 parts nitrogen, 17 parts phosphorus, and 0 potash. And now for the other row. Here are the 2 types of potatoes that I'm going to plant today. Both of these came from my basement. They're actually from my harvest I did last year for these 2 types of potatoes, and we actually used them. When I took them to the basement in the fall, they were pretty much full, and then over the winter we used them for meals. But what was left started to dry out, and I just thought I'd keep them, try them for seed potatoes. So what we're going to plant today are these. These are red Norland, or I'm sorry, these are Yukon Gold. And these are the red Norlands. For no particular reason, we're going to put the red Norlands on this side. And the reason they're going here is because that's the bucket I grabbed first. So I'm not even going to cut these, I'm just going to stick them in as whole seed potatoes. Try to get them maybe about a foot apart or so. Now we're going to cover them up. There we go. Thanks for watching. Do appreciate it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time here on Popeye Hill.